It's 155 Garden Valley on the west side of San Antonio. So coming in, they've already got some decent floors.
Hey, restroom doors coming off?
No. We got decent kitchen. I'm not going to do anything in there. I'm just going to replace this damaged trim, button stuff up like that, some sheetrock repairs. Repairs there. There's a converted garage. Basically just doing a make ready. Right here we're gonna add in a closet so it'll be counted as a bedroom. No closet, no window, then they don't count it as a bedroom. So fixtures are all staying. We're gonna paint the ceilings, paint the walls, put in some new doors here. Those doors were damaged. What else? Change out these shower fixtures. But shower looks alright. Clean it up. Put a new drain in. New fixture there. Clean all this up. See all these. Just a bunch of little repairs. That'll need some work. Go ahead and replace that. We'll put in new sliding closet doors on all the closets.
I guess I could throw a bunch of shit in this.
And yeah, just real quick, make ready, clean up all this stuff that was left. Previous tenants. Let's check out this backyard. Good sized backyard. About 1,200 square feet, 4-bedroom. Once we put that closet in, it'll be 4-bedroom. So we got some trim to repair here. That's about it. The fixtures are pretty nice. A little sheetrock repair there. I recommended getting rid of this wall, but for budget concerns, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Hardware will need to be changed out. Another closet door here. And that's it. This is, you know, what they left after they moved out. A bunch of furniture. Some of it's not too bad. Give it away if we can. If not, it'll go in the dumpster. Yeah, I'll check back in on this one once we're finished. There's a front look of the house. Probably won't paint it, but if they decide it's worth the money, then we'll go ahead and do it. Uh, 155 Garden Valley. There's the living room. Oh my goodness. So repaired the sheetrock, painted the inside, cleaned it all out. Kitchen didn't really do anything. Put in all these new doors. So closet doors, sliding closet doors. Just notice Window's broken in the corner. Yeah, so all the bedrooms got new closet doors, new entry doors. 6-panel, painted bright white, painted the ceilings, walls, trim.